Hi guys, welcome back. Today I decided that with all the decluttering I'm doing, why not show you guys what I'm doing. So today I'm tackling drawers in my house. Now I'm focusing on the kitchen right now, and then I will focus on other rooms, but I have a junk drawer that I want to tackle, the top of my fridge, the high counter in my kitchen, and the knife drawer. So I will show you those four things, that how I cleaned it out, what I got rid of, and all the junk that you realize you have that you don't need. Lately I've been looking at videos on minimalism. Why doesn't that sound right? But you get the gist. And I realized that I have too much stuff. And I was talking to my husband, he's like, I don't know how we can be minimalist when we have there's six of us in this house. But I realized the one area in my house that I have the hardest time keeping clean, which I think I purged, and I guess I didn't purge enough, was my my office / craft space. I will show you a picture of it, what it looks like now. Tell me that'll look like a hot mess. I just cleaned it out, reorganized it, and I still can't keep it clean. And I realized because I have too much stuff, even though I gave away a lot, I need to give away more. So that's another video in the future where I'm going to seriously give away stuff. It's hard for me because I love my art supplies. So I'm going to do another video on cleaning out my office supplies. It's my office supplies, that's what it is. Yeah, it's hard. But that's another video, so let me get back to the point at hand. So this whole time we've been quarantined, I've been cleaning out a lot of things, and I cleaned out, my husband cleaned out his, he had boxes and boxes of stuff, even from when we lived in Atlanta, which was 2011, 9 years ago. He had stuff, and so I finally got him to clean it out. He still has more stuff, but he cleaned out a good majority. We now have 3 trash bags full of stuff to give away, but we can't do anything with it because, you know, everything's closed. So we decided that we're just gonna keep it in our garage, and then when time comes, when everything reopens, then we'll give everything away. So let me show you what I did today. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by, checking out my video. I hope it encouraged you and it motivates you to declutter and reorganize your house. Since we have all this time, please, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. You know everyone always do, so go ahead, hit it. Don't be scared, it's right there. But guys, thank you so much, and let's jump on into the video. So we're gonna start with the junk drawer, and this is the way it looks before. It's not a lot, but it's junky, so we're gonna tackle this today, among other things. Okay, so this is all stuff that came out the drawer, and I categorized them. Like, this is all office supplies, lights, which I'll probably give away. I think this is giveaway pretty much. You know, this. A wallet that nobody uses. I think it was my son's, but he doesn't use it. So this is stuff to give away. I'm going to reuse those. Rubber bands, batteries. I don't know what this stuff is. So let me just give it away. These are doorknobs. Our house that we rent is very old, so I'm going to put those back on because I'm missing one in the dining room. These are flour, food, and see I have flowers there, lighters, screws, and tools. So I'm going to put all these where they belong, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the after. I got rid of a lot of stuff, and I don't need to fill it up. You know, just keep what we have. We keep lighters over here, the doorknobs, which I'm going to put back on the doors, knife, screwdriver, and pliers. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. And in here I keep the flour, food, and some rubber bands, and that's it. Moving on to the next project. carries a lot of junk, so we're gonna go through all this. Okay, so this is, sorry guys, this is everything that came off the high counter. I usually have medicines that I need to grab right away that I keep here instead of in the medicine area. So I use this bathroom caddy that I got from Home Goods a while ago, and so I keep my daughter's inhalers in here. Allergy medicine, my medicine I take daily, melatonin for my boy, Midol for cramps for my daughter, so we don't have to look for it. It's right here, back there. This is all Midol. More allergy medicine. My daughter has eczema, so this is her hydrocortisone cream that I keep here. That's empty. Cough medicine, which I don't need right now. Miralax, which I don't need right now, so I'll probably put these away. More Midol. As you can see, we have a lot of women in this house. And my daughter's braces, for her rubber bands for her braces. I keep them here so she knows where to find them if she doesn't have them. So, I think, I know I have a secret somewhere, but I keep deodorant down here because when my kids went to school, I always had deodorant down here. So I always, the last thing I asked, did you pack your snack, did you pack your homework, and did you put on deodorant? So I usually keep this down here. So even though we're out of school, oh well. This stuff needs to go upstairs. This is like rubbing alcohol, it's 50%. Toothpaste, nail clippers. Oh, I usually keep nail clippers, a pair of nail clippers and tweezers down here because my kids tend to get splinters. So that goes in there. So yeah, so that takes care of that. Back here is office supplies. I was looking for my reading glasses. I'm glad I found them. We use these as chip clips for bags of chips, and I will show you what that looks like. And the rest is just pens. This is miscellaneous stuff I need to figure out what I'm going to do. I burn a lot of candles and I have a pack of matches, so let me show you what it looks like afterwards. Now we're going to tackle the knife drawer. So it doesn't look that bad, but I'm just going to vacuum it out and just vacuum it out, get whatever we don't need in here. I need to get new knives because, let's see all the coatings coming off. So if you guys can recommend some good knives, I gotta get stainless steel. I'll look on Amazon because it's like I can go out and shop. So I gotta get some knives. So let's get to it. So my camera wasn't recording, so I didn't show you the finish when I was cleaning out and putting everything back. But this is what it looks like. I got rid of a couple of things, but this is all I need. Not a lot, you know. And so that takes care of this drawer. So that was, it didn't take me long. It took me probably about, I think, an hour. It would took less, but you know, when you're filming, you have to set up angles and stuff. So, but yeah, it looks really good. I'm so proud of myself. I've given away some stuff, things I don't need. And you know, I hope this can motivate you guys to do the same. Yeah, so I just love these flowers. I went to Trader Joe's. I did my grocery shopping Well, for fresh stuff, I go once a week, but now it's been every 2 weeks. So because of everything that's going on. And I just want to share my story. Wednesday, I went to Wegmans, Trader Joe's, and Costco. Wegmans, I was like, okay, I'll get there early because, you know, they have here in Massachusetts, they have senior citizen hours. It's usually the first hour of when they first open. So I was like, okay, I'll get there at 8, and then I'll, you know, hopefully be able to go in after they have after the citizen hour expires. And so I got there. I was late. I got there 8:30. The line was so long just to get in, and I mean, it's frustrating, but I'm just happy because people are practicing social distancing, because I don't know, most stores are putting marks on the ground to tell you where you should stand. So I was in line for 50 minutes just to get into the store, and then I was so quick about it because I had my list. I knew what everything is. I got everything. I was out in probably a half hour. So, but then when I went to Costco, walked in, no problem. You know, it's hardly anybody there. You know, and they're very organized because they have people. You know, there's a line for if you want someone to check you out, and there's self-service where you can check yourself out. So they're very organized. And then I went to Trader Joe's, and I was in that line to get in the store probably just like 6 minutes or so. But I just want to show you the flowers I got. Aren't they pretty? And these are real. They look so fake, but they're real, and I thought they were so pretty. And at first, I usually get flowers, and at first, like, I'm not getting flowers, you know. But I was like, you know what? Flowers brightens up my day, so I have flowers, you know, fresh flowers in the dining room, usually, sometimes in the kitchen. So if you're something that, you know, makes you happy, if it's flowers, or, you know, or even going out for a breath of fresh air, just practice social distancing, you know, just go ahead and do it, because you still have to live, you know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and until we meet again, have a very blessed day. Bye.